Afternoon everyone. So let us start with the last exercise of this chapter. Let me explain you some terms regarding this exercise. First one is perpendicular lines, means whenever two lines intersect each other at 90 degree, then the lines are said to be perpendicular lines. Okay, and what is parallel lines? Whenever two lines never meet, means when two lines will never meet, then that two lines are called parallel lines. And when these two parallel lines is cut by a third line, then that third line is called transversal. This one is known as transversal. These two lines is not necessary that it will be a parallel line only. It can be any line like this. If I consider these two lines and it is cut by a third line, then this third line is called transversal. Okay, fine. Next, look at this angle formed when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Here we are considering two parallel lines, this one and this one. When this parallel line is cut by a third line, that is transversal, then four angles are formed. Look at this. Angle 1, this one is 2, this one is 3, and this one is 4. Similarly here 5, 6, 7, 8. So in total 8 angles are formed. So these angles have certain names. So first one is interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angle means, let me highlight it. This one is interior alternate angle 3, 5. Then 3 and 5 are interior alternate, angle 3 and angle 5 are interior alternate. To identify this, if I draw a Z-like structure, then this angle and this angle are interior alternate angle. So look at this diagram. Here a Z-like structure is being formed now. So 3 and 5 are interior alternate angle. Similarly, if a figure like this is formed, then this one and this one will be, then this angle and this angle will be interior alternate angle. So from here this angle 4 and angle 6 are also interior alternate angle, angle 4 and angle 6. Next one is exterior alternate angle. The exterior alternate angle will be this one, angle 2 and angle 8, just opposite side. Okay, this angle 2 and angle 8 are exterior alternate angle, and here angle 1 and angle 7 are exterior alternate angle. So you have to identify all these angles very nicely. You have to make this concept very clear. Next one is corresponding angle. Corresponding angle, just a minute. If I erase all these things, okay, corresponding angle means if it was 1, this was 2, this was 3, this was 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so corresponding angle means this one, angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angle. Look at this line, this parallel line and this parallel line. This angle is above this parallel line and this angle is also above this parallel line. So this angle 1 and angle 5 will be called corresponding angle, angle 1 and angle 5. Similarly, angle 4 is below this parallel line and angle 8 is below this parallel line. So angle 4 and angle 8 will be corresponding angle. There are two more pair of corresponding angle. If I have considered the right hand side, this was right hand side of the line of the transversal. If I consider the left hand side of the transversal, this angle 2 is above the line and angle 6 is above the line. So angle 2 and angle 6 will be corresponding angle, and similarly angle 3 and angle 7 will be corresponding angle. Okay, next one is co-interior or co-joined or allied angles. So if I consider this diagram, means if you find the structure like this, then these two angles are co-interior angles. Okay, so I have got a structure like this now here. So this angle 3 and angle 6 will be co-interior angle, angle 3 and angle 6, and there is one more. If I find a structure like this, then this angle and this angle will be co-interior. So look at this here. So angle 4 and angle 5 will be co-interior angle. So first you have to understand this diagram very nicely. This one is very important for this exercise. So there are some properties regarding the parallel lines. Look at this. First one, interior alternate angles are equal. So I have found out that angle 3 and angle 5 are interior alternate angle. So angle 3 will be equals to angle 5. If angle 3 is 30 degree, angle 5 will be also 30 degree. And same case for the second angle, that is angle 4 equals to angle 6. Okay, this one. Next property is that exterior angles are equal. So exterior angles means angle 2 and angle 8 will be equal. So angle 2 equals to angle 8, and next one is angle 1 equals to angle 7. Third one is corresponding angles are equal. So here 4 pair of corresponding angles are found. So angle 1 and angle 5 will be equal. Next one is angle 4 will be equals to angle 8, angle 2 will be equals to angle 6, angle 3 will be equals to angle 7. Fine. And the fourth property is that co-interior angles are supplementary. Means the co-interior angles 3 and 6, if you add angle 3 and angle 6, it will give you 180 degree. Angle 3 angle 6 equals to 180 degree. And similarly for this one, that is angle 4 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degree. And the last one is vertically opposite angle. In last exercise I have explained that whenever two lines intersect, this one and this one are vertically opposite angle, so they will be equal. Here this one will be equals to this one. So look at this diagram. If I erase all these things, then here you will find out some vertically opposite angle, that is this one equals to this one and this one equals to this one. Okay, so angle 1 will be equals to angle 3, angle 1 equals to angle 3, and this angle 2 will be equals to angle 4. So angle 2 will be equals to angle 4. And same case for this this portion, 1 2 3 4, this was 5 na, 5 6 7 and this one was 8. So 5 will be equals to 7 and 6 will be equals to 8. So angle 5 equals to angle 7, next angle 6 equals to angle 8. Next pause the video and copy this diagram along with the properties. Whatever written on this slide you have to copy it. Okay, starting with the exercise. The first question is that you have to identify the adjacent angle, vertically opposite angle, alternate angle and corresponding and co-interior angles. You have to identify. So first one is angle 6 and angle 7. What is the relation between them? So look at the diagram, angle 6 and angle 7. They are vertically opposite angle na? So you will write here vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now moving to number 2. Number 2 is angle 3 and angle 4. So look in the diagram, angle 3 and angle 4 are side by side angles. So they will be called as adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Number 3, it is 4 and 8. So look at this 4 and 8. This angle 4 is below this line and this angle 8 is below this line. So this is the property of corresponding angle. So this will be corresponding angle. I will not tell all the answers, rest of a part you will try to do it yourself, okay, because you have to make this concept very clear. So all these that I am marking, you will try it yourself. Moving to next question, that is number 2. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, this one is the parallel sign and EF is the transversal, and angle 8. Only one angle is given, that is 110 degree. You have to find the rest over angle, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let us start with angle 7 first. Write down here angle 8 equals to 110 degree. Listen, 7 and 8 are adjacent angles and they are also forming linear pair. And you know that the linear pairs are supplementary. 180 degree. So write down here, you have to write the reason. Linear pair are supplementary. Next, find out the value of angle 7. 110 equals to 180. So the value of angle 7 will be 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. So the angle 7 is 70 degree. Box it. Okay. We have got the value of angle 7. Write down in figure, that is 70 degree. Next, if angle 8 is 110 degree, angle 5 will also be 110 degree because they are vertically opposite angle. So angle 5 equals to angle 8 equals to 110 degree, that is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Write down like this, angle 5 equals to 110 degree and box it. Next, look at this. Okay, we have got this as 110 degree. Next, angle 6 and 7 are vertically opposite. So 7 is 70 degree. Angle 6 will also be 70 degree. Angle 6 equals to angle 7 equals to 70 degree. The reason will be same, that is vertically opposite angle. So the angle 6 is 70 degree. We have got 3 angles. Next, we have to find all these angles. Look at this. Angle 4 is below this line and angle 8 is also below this line. So they are corresponding angle. So angle 4 is equals to angle 8. The reason will be corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So the value of angle 4 will be equals to angle 8, and you know that angle 8 is what? 110 degree. So angle 4 is 110 degree. So we have got this value 110 degree and angle 6 as 70 degree. Next, look at this, angle 2 is above this line and angle 6 is above this line. So they will also form the corresponding angle. Angle 2 equals to angle 6. The reason will be same, that is corresponding angles are equal. So the value of angle 2 will be 70 degree because angle 6 was what? Angle 6 was 70 degree. Next, find out the angle 1 and 3 using the same property, corresponding angle. Look at this, angle 1 is above this line and angle 5 is also above this line. So angle 1 equals to angle 5, that is equal, the reason will be same. Okay, and angle 1 equals to how much? 110 degree. So we have got 110 degree as angle 1. Next, the last one is angle 3. So angle 3 will be equals to what? Angle 3 will be equals to angle 7 because angle 3 is below this line and angle 7 is also below this line. So this will be equals to 70 degree and the reason will be same. Okay. Okay, moving to next number. In number 3, you have to find the value of x, y and z. So look at this, x is on opposite side of 55 degree. So x will be equals to 55 degree by which property? By vertically opposite angle. So reason is very must. You have to write down. Write down here, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Next, you have to find the value of y. So look here, opposite Z formation is here now. So I have told that whenever there is Z formation, this angle and this angle will be equal by the property of interior alternate angle. So y will be equals to 55 degree. The reason will be interior alternate angles are equal. Okay, this one. And next you have to find z. So y and z are forming linear pair because here it is a straight angle and y and z will sum up to 180 degree. Y plus z equals to 180 degree. The reason will be linear pair are supplementary. So the value of z will be okay, write down here y equals to 55 na, so 55 plus z equals to 180 degree. So the value of z will be 180 minus 55. Answer will be 135 degree. So the value of z is 135 degree. Okay, moving to number 2. In number 2 you have to find x, y and z. So let us first find out the value of z. Okay, or you can find out the value of x also. Look at this. If I rotate this diagram, if I rotate this whole diagram, then this angle means 130 is on left hand side of this line and x is also left hand side of this line. So it will be, these two angles will be corresponding angle. So write down x equals to 130 degree. Reason will be corresponding angles are equal. Okay, if I rotate this diagram, this whole diagram, it will become number 1 na. So 130 and x will be corresponding angles. Next you have to find the value of z. So z and 130 are forming linear pair. Look at this here, y and z were forming linear pair. Here z and 130 are forming linear pair. So write down z plus 130 degree is equals to 180 degree. Reason will be linear pair are supplementary. Okay, so from here you will find out the value of z, that is 180 minus 130 degree, z equals to 50 degree. Next you have to find out the value of y. So look at the y and z are on the same side of the parallel line, means look at this, z is on the left hand side and y is also on left hand side. So y and z will be corresponding to each other. So y equals to z, the reason will be corresponding angles are equal. So the value of y will be equals to 50 degree. Okay, moving to 3 means this one. Here also you have to find the value of x, y and z. So 40 is here. You will try this yourself. I have explained Tuna, you will try to do it yourself. Next, moving to number 4. In each of the following figures, AB is parallel to CD and EF is a transversal. Find the value of x. Means you have to find the value of x. So look at this. 5x is exterior and 3x is interior, and we don't have any relationship between exterior and interior angles. So if this one is 5x, this one will also be 5x because they are vertically opposite angle. Okay, so I will name it as A. So name it as A and then write down like this. Name it as A, write down A equals to 5x. The reason will be vertically opposite angle. Okay, next, they two means A and 3x are forming co-interior angles, and the property of co-interior angle is that they are supplementary. So write down A plus 3x is equals to 180 degree. The reason will be co-interior angles are supplementary. Write down the value of A, that is 5x plus 3x equals to 180. Next you have to solve the linear equation. 8x equals to 180 degree, x is equals to 180 by 8. Do the cancellation, 4 2s are 4 4s are 4 5s are, so the answer will be 22.5 degree. The value of x is 22.5 degree. So in number 2 and number 3 I will just give the hint and you will try to do it yourself. Look at this. This one is exterior angle and this one is interior angle, and we don't know any relationship between exterior and interior. So similarly, if this one is 5x, it will be also 5x. So name it as A and write down A equals to 5x, vertically opposite angle. Then A and 4x are forming co-interior angles. So in second part, just same means 4 2 is totally same as 4 1. So this A plus 4x will be equals to 180 degree. Next find out the value of x. Okay, come to this one. Okay, I am explaining number 3. This 140 is above this line and 4x is above this line, so these two will form corresponding angle. So write down 4x equals to 140 degree. The reason will be corresponding angles are, okay, angles are equal. Next, find out the value of x from here. 140 by 4, 4 3s are 4 5s are, so the value of x is 35 degree. So in this number 4 you have to do this one yourself. So I am keeping it up to 4. Make this concept clear by practicing again and again. Okay, thank you.